Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I got myself a little something here. It's time to look what's inside. Yes, it is a Coach unboxing. And they are starting to get, people are starting to figure out that this is big deal on social media, i.e. YouTube. I hope everybody is doing good. Look at this thing. This is made, they don't normally look like this because I bought tons of Coaches. And they're beautiful boxes. They're usually cream colored boxes with gold writing and they're lovely. But they've gone to this black with this beautiful kind of chocolatey rustic brown tied in the corner. It's so pretty. I don't even want to mess up the bow, so I'm just going to slide it off. And let's just see what's inside. And some of you are like, Beth, you do not need any more handbags. I know it. I know it. So, Ebates happened, and half price on a Rogue, a Coach Rogue. Those of you who know Rogues know what I'm talking about. So, I've wanted a, kind of an orange Rogue with the navy and tan interior, the color blocking. This is not that. It's lighter colored for spring and summer, but it's there. It was Ebates, so I did it. Is this magnetic? No. It's not. We'll let that fall. It had the cutest little sticker on the top. That was a little dinosaur. And then that's just the Coach emblem. And we'll open that. And open this. And open that. Of course, I got my little papers in the box. Which I know y'all could care less about the papers. But you get papers of authenticity. This is an authentic Coach. It's from Coach. Ebates just gives you a discount. And I don't know how Ebates works. I guess what happens is, it's a beautiful bag. Usually it's a little more silky and it has kind of a satin and it has a satin tie. And I gotta tell you, they come apart so easy. So I'm kind of glad that this is more of like a twill this time. I haven't bought a Coach in a long, long time. And this is like the usual ties that you have for these dust bags. Here we go. Okay, the color looked kind of peachy online. I'm hoping it's not. It kind of is peachy, but it's not as big as I thought, and it's actually more beigey. You know what it reminds me of is my my Givenchy Antigonia in color. Only it's a completely different texture. And it's very pretty, y'all. The thing about Coaches is they just smell so good. So let's see what the handles look like. Are they a different color? They were supposed to be a different color. It's a color blocked purse usually is what a Rogue is. Or either has some kind of specialty finish. And it's just a big old square. But what I love about it is inside there's also, okay, so let's see what the handles are. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. What do y'all think? I'm putting it by my face so you can see the size. And we'll look down in there. Oh, and look, it's kind of got, I got my initials on it. Which means it's unreturnable, but I knew I wasn't going to return it anyway because of the price. I got almost half price. EWB is on there, and this is like a, I don't know, it's like a wine burgundy. It's or like a dark wine brown. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so what's really cool about this is it's got pockets. Well, actually, it's got 3 different pockets. Here, the middle zip pocket, and here. And it does have these to carry on your shoulder as well as these. And the cool thing about these is they can fold down inside the bag. When you don't want to use it, they can fold inward and you don't even see them. They fold in, instead of over the side, they fold in like that. So you don't see them. Let's see. I think this is just a chain. Let me see. What is this? Yep, and then it's got the alternate color, which is just a hair off. So it's like a beige, butterscotch, and kind of a red, what do you call that, a red-brown? Like an oxblood? Kind of like my mulberry. But look at this, isn't that the coolest? It's got a little, let me take this all out. It's got kind of a twill inner. And it's got this little change purse, the old-fashioned change purse for like change for keys or whatever you want to put in there. And on one side it's made into the purse, it doesn't come out. I think that's cool. And then it's got a zipper pouch over here that's pretty deep, and there's my authenticity card and all that stuff. And also you have on Coach, everybody knows there's always that big square that has the actual serial, I think it's the serial number on it is what that is right there. But I think it's a really pretty color combo, y'all. I'm absolutely delighted. I think this is a great purse. Now, Rogues are heavy because it's real brass. Kind of looks like Gucci, doesn't it? Look at that. Only there's C's for Coach. And it does have on the bottom the little feet. And on the side it has, what is that? Just the zipper pull. What else? What else? What else? What else? Why is that down there like that? Oh, that's just, it's protecting the side is all that was. There's that. Let's take this off. I want y'all to be able to see the full thing when I'm finished. And there it is. So you can wear it with the chain over your shoulder, and it falls kind of right at your chest area. And so you would rub it here, so I wouldn't wear anything like navy blue. Not that it would probably hurt it that bad if you did. There just may be a little color transfer. Okay, on here it says 1941 is written right there. 1941. Boy, it's so soft and such good smelling leather. And it's got my initials on the back of the little Coach. They always have these Coach hang tags, and my initials are on the back. I think that is very, very coolio. Love it, love it, love it. And like I said, you can either fold these handles down or hold them. It's a big enough space in here that you can hold it easily on the crux of your arm, like that. It's just a perfect size, y'all. It's a really good size. It's deep enough that you can really put a lot in it, but at the same time, it's not so big that it's overwhelming. It's a little heavy, even empty. Not horribly heavy. Some people say it's really heavy. It is not. It's just because it's got all this brass hardware, but it's real good leather and real brass hardware. And again, I just love this little change purse, the old-fashioned snap change purse like that you can put actual change in. You could put your car keys in there. You could, if you could make that your little wallet, put a couple of credit cards in, put your keys down in here, and zip that shut. And again, you've got your serial number tag right here. I don't know if you can see that good. And then that's it, I think. Yep, that's it. So that is my unboxing, and I must tell you, you know, I've done some Louis Vuittons and what? I did the Mulberry. I like the Mulberry. But I love Coaches. They're just very well priced for the money. The Rogues are $800. So that's, I just thought, I'm not going to pay that for a Coach unless it's a specialty bag, which I guess Rogues are in and of themselves, but I just want to go and pay it. And when I got that Ebates discount, I was like, it was over half off of that. Over half off of that. So it was like $300. So for this really good leather and this, and you know why this is on sale? The color. This is one of the colors that's in sale as well. And actually, I love it. I love the oxblood on the inside. I love this kind of butterscotch color for the handles. And the leather part of the strap. I love the brass C's. And I love this beige color. I think that's going to be great. That could be great for fall, too. You know it? That could be a great fall color bag. But it could be great for spring. Because it's light colored. I really do like it. I really like it a lot. Because it's kind of heavy, I'm probably not going to be taking it into my trip that I'm fixing to go to. Probably going to carry my Batiste Mochette. Why do I do that? Pochette Matisse. It's like this reverse in my brain. But probably just because it's simpler right now, you know. And so anyway, that is all that I wanted to show y'all was that unboxing. And did that make it in 12 minutes? With my little camera likes to stop me at 12 minutes. It sure did. And there's my hubby. So I gotta go. Love y'all. Bye!